If your Roblox account manager is not working, or if it's creating any issue and you cannot operate it very smooth and easily on your PC, then how you can fix your Roblox? Firstly, as you can see the Roblox account manager, and if you're facing error with this, firstly I will show you that how you can actually solve it. As you can see the official website here, the first step is you should clear and cross this tab and close it. Second thing is to check your Wi-Fi network connection if it has the full network or not, because these type of error only occurs whenever your network connection is bad or it cannot be reviewed like it should be. Now, after checking your Wi-Fi setting, you can check my connection is full on strength. Then I will click on the start button of my PC to restart it and refresh all things available here on my PC. Click on the restart button, then it will take about 5 to 10 minutes to be restarted, and then you won't face any type of error like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.